Alright. We got the lift. We got the chopper. Now we have to lift that down onto that. Oh, I got it locked. It's locked in there. Yeah, baby. What do you mean I'm alright? I was born alright. Yup. Is the chain in that box?
That's what we're trying.
We'll sell some of the bullshit you have sitting in your apartment and buy other cool shit.
Well, it's not the way it is.
Huh?
So I think it looks pretty rad the way it is.
Well, it's not. Well, this is not staying on here.
I'm alright with that.
You can take this back home. We don't need it. We don't need that piece of shit. We gotta do something. Do the new bars bolt right to the trees?
I hope so.
That whole time. Well, we weren't recording. Got the front end mocked up here. Shapoos. Jerry went off camera. He got scared. He's over here taking videos with his phone. Like that's allowed. He's already signed a fucking NDA. You old fucking. The Paul Tuttle specials here.
Well, I got that shirt. It inspired me.
Yeah, your AOC shirt inspired you. Where did I put my razor blade knife at?
Z-bars, bro. We'll see.
We're painting Jerry's bike flat black with spider web pinstriping on it. We're going full the horse backstreet choppers 1997. This is some Tommy Boy stuff right here.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm feeling.
Yeah, that's a little better. The question is, can your fucking hobbit ass reach the handlebars? The old butt plugger special. Oh, baby, I don't hate that, Jerry.
Just over here. That was fucking good.
Well, I'm going to, but what I'd like to do is get it on the camera, too. Jerry, quit taking fucking photos, dude. Jerry, we are in production, Jerry. Stop. So the front end's on. These are simple. If you've ever done them, there's a fucking bolt ski there. You gotta loosen this. Top tree comes off. Pop that dude up in there. She's good to go. Did you guys catch Jerry's VIN? Jerry's VIN is on there, so go ahead and steal his bike through the internet. Yeah, I don't hate it. What do you guys think? Tell Jerry how stupid his motorcycle is. And you'll be forward like.
I don't think that's honestly too much different.
Bending metal for Jesus! In the week. Boom. Uncle Jerry's bike is back on the ground. New handlebars. Front end, all there. On Jerry's new Jack City. Next step, cut this bar out. Put the chain on. Mount the battery box and the oil bag. Then the fender. And we gotta make a sissy bar.